Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Blim Reviews. Now what you see at the front here is actually the Coca-Cola edition of the Realme 10 Pro 5G that was just launched here in Malaysia. Now the reason why I'm not showing my face once again is because I'm still down with the flu, so please pardon me, but we're going to go over a very quick unboxing and check out what actually comes in the box. Now this is very special because it's the first time Realme has worked with Coca-Cola, and of course the media guys do get this really nice real meow that's filled up with Coke. Check this out guys, there's actually a lot of bubbles that you can see on the inside. At the bottom you even have a couple of labels here, and I think it's the coolest real meow that we've seen to date. Thank you Realme Malaysia for this. Alright, we're going to put this guy down for now, and of course, yes, I also must let you know that I've got myself a couple of Coca-Cola cans here. Obviously, I'm not going to be drinking them because I'm not feeling well, but we'll put it side by side with the actual phone to see how close they are to the Coca-Cola cans itself. Now let's begin and check out the unboxing right away. So I'm just going to slash this off real quick. Can't really go through a very nice unboxing. Let's now pull off the entire plastics off the box here. And there you have it guys, a really nice colorway for the box itself. Again, we'll put it side by side, and you notice here that the red is actually the exact same red as the Coca-Cola itself. Alright, so moving the box to the back, over here you'll see that we do have a couple of key specifications. Now we'll go over this when we unbox the phone, but for now, let us unbox this and see what we get in the box. So this is exactly what you'll get if you actually purchase one of these limited edition Coca-Cola Realme 10 Pro 5G. Let's get this box off. Oh wow, okay. So as soon as you unbox it, notice that we do have this really nice cardboard package that also has the Coca-Cola label over here. I'm not sure if I want to tear this, but I guess we shall. Alright, so once you've removed the stickers and the user manual from the inside, check this out guys. We've got some really nice Coca-Cola stickers here in collaboration with Realme. Again, you have the real meow, dare to live, a couple of really nice stickers here that again you can stick on wherever you want. This is exactly how it looks like. So I'm going to put this down for now and check out what else we get in here. Obviously you also get a quick guide. We're not going to read this. We also get this really nice Coca-Cola card that shows the number of your unit here. So mine is 9366, so I guess there's less than 10,000 units for this limited edition one. And I think I saw something really cool, and that's actually the SIM pin ejector guys. So let me see how am I going to remove this. Ooh, look at that guys, look at that detail. This is actually reminiscent of the Coca-Cola, like the bottle cap that you usually get when you get a Coca-Cola bottle. Alright, so we've got this out of the way. Let's move this to the side and see what else we get. Of course, the star of the show here is the phone itself, which we will unwrap in a little bit. You want to see what else we get at the bottom, guys. Alright, so over here we do get a blackish, sort of smoke black kind of transparent case to protect your phone. You also get the Super VOOC charger. This is a 33 watt Super VOOC charger. And last but not least, you also get a Type-C cable in the box. So this is basically everything that you get in the box guys. But now in the moment of truth, we're going to unwrap the Realme 10 Pro 5G. So let's just pull this off. And of course, we're going to remove that sticker at the back. And there you have it guys, this is the Realme 10 Pro Coca-Cola Edition. Right, so first things first, I think the design looks fantastic. It looks absolutely stunning here at the back. Again, just going to put it side by side with a Coca-Cola can. Yes, it's a bit matte-ish materials on the back, whereas on a typical can, it is like glossy and all that. But that is because Realme wanted to, prevent those fingerprints at the back. But otherwise, you can see there's a lot of detail here. In terms of the logo, guys, it is actually the same color as the one on the can. Really, really impressive. Other than that, you also have this, red accents that goes over the lens itself. I think it's a really nice touch of detail over there for the camera sensors. And over the sides, this is totally blacked out and it looks very cool. You do get a headphone jack at the bottom, so it's still there. And a very nice frame, guys. This is how it looks like. Again, I'm going to put it side by side with the Coca-Cola can because it just looks so much at home, guys. It looks stunning. Alright, so we're going to power this on and also see what else you get in terms of the software for this particular device. Let's go! Alright, so guys, as soon as you power up the device, first and foremost, you'll notice that we already have a Coca-Cola theme installed into the device, and I think that's pretty cool. One thing I noticed is that there's actually a charging animation when you put in the charger. So I'm going to show it to you right away. Let's just plug it in. And you'll see that we do have a very custom Coca-Cola bubble over here that's showing you the charging animation. Very nicely done there. Alright, so other than that, you also notice that we do have a Coca-Cola theme. That means that all the icons, everything is held in this reddish kind of theme here, and I think it looks pretty cool. I think Realme has designed a lot of those icons, so you can see like throughout the entire UI, there's going to be a ton of custom icons already built in. And more importantly, I think a super cool thing that we have here is actually notification sounds that is customized. So we're going to go and check out a couple of ringtones. We have the Cola official music. So that's the ringtone, and in terms of the notification sound, you get a couple more. So you have this. Also the Cola official music, you have Open Happiness. Let's try that again. Cola Bubbles. So you do have a couple of unique kind of ringtones here, specially tailored for the Realme 10 Pro Coca-Cola Edition. But yeah guys, this is basically the Realme 10 Pro Coca-Cola Edition. Again, just to go through a couple of key specifications that it has. This is a 120Hz LCD display, very smooth, and the key highlight here is all about that very slim bezels that you see all around the device. Now other than that, it has a dual camera sensor that is being led by a 108 megapixel sensor. This is being powered by the Snapdragon 695. It comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal memory. I gotta check that real quick just to make sure I'm correct. 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Alright, other than that, you also get a 5000 mAh battery in this really slim body, and that 33-watt charging, which you have already seen the charger earlier on. So this is again the Realme 10 Pro 5G Coca-Cola Edition, available here in Malaysia currently for RM1399 guys. This is a very limited edition one, and if you are the kind of person who loves Coca-Cola and you want to have this into your collection, I suggest you actually check them out. Again guys, last look here, last final look. Alright guys, thank you for watching today's video. I'm about to head off to rest. If you want to find out more info about this, I'll leave a link down below. Thank you for watching today's video all the way to the end. Don't forget to drop a like, sub to the channel, and look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Stay safe everybody. Bye bye.